Hey everybody, Seth Buchheit, Chinook RV's National Sales Manager. I'm here at our factory in Peru, Indiana, where we build Class B Plus and Class B motorhomes. Today's video, how to winterize your Chinook B Plus motorhome with the Timberline system. A lot of people have been asking for this video. I'm super excited to bring it to you today. Let's get started. Okay, for today's video, I'm going to use this Chinook Maverick SS360. If you want to know anything about this motorhome, please feel free to reach out to us. This paint scheme is a new Stars and Stripes American theme paint scheme. Full body paint, of course, and the interior color is walnut chiffon. Now, let's get started on winterizing. First things first, of course, you're going to need to make sure that your power is on. So you're gonna hit your battery disconnect, make sure power is on. Now let's go inside. After opening up the dinette, I am going to drain my fresh tank by opening that valve there. And then you will drain until, of course, it's empty. And then you will wanna make sure you do close it. Now we are going to turn our water pump on. We are going to drain all of our water lines, making sure we get all the water out. Your bathroom sink. Make sure you do not forget the outside shower. You're going to want to make sure you drain all of the water out of there as well. Next, you're going to want to drain your low points. Now be sure to close your low points. Back inside and turn off the water pump. Okay, next we are going to flip this diverter to city water, and then we're going to flip this diverter right here to winterize. Next, take your garden hose from your RV antifreeze and then go ahead and put the hose into the socket there. We're gonna go inside. Next, under the sink with the SS model, under the sofa with the DS model, you're gonna have to shut off your freshwater tank. Flip that right there. And then you're gonna open this valve right back here. We're gonna turn on the water pump. Now we're gonna go up to our faucets. Make sure we have antifreeze coming through, both hot and cold. Forget to flush the toilet. And then let's go outside for the outside shower. Also gonna want the cold. lastly, we will get our low point drains to make sure they are winterized. Now you can go back inside and turn off the water pump. Now all you have to do is unhook that hose, put your RV antifreeze away, clean up any mess, and you are finished. You are winterized. Thank you everybody for joining me on today's how-to video on how to winterize your Chinook RV Class B Plus motorhome. Feel free to reach out to us at the factory with any questions at info@chinookrv.com. If you have a suggestion on the next how-to video I should do, please leave it below in the comments, or again, send that to us via email. We appreciate you watching. Have a great day.